There are homes and then there are statements. Currently, I'm standing in one of the most beautiful and well-finished private residences in Lekki Phase 1. This home whispers that it is not for everyone. Welcome to this 5-bedroom architectural edifice located in a well-planned and strategic area of Lekki Phase 1. My name is Miracle Josiah. Let me show you a home that genuinely impressed me the first time I walked into this home. When you walk in, the first thing you notice is the space. Not just space, intentional space. Now, let me show you the high ceiling of this beautiful home. I want you to take a look at the high ceiling of this home. Like, this is beautiful. Right here, this is the high ceiling, and the windows, it's so nice that the natural light that can be coming from this angle, and this angle will be like, you don't even need artificial light right here. The chandeliers, when you take a look at it, it looks like artwork, not just light. I'm really loving this space because in this living room, you can host important conversation, or you can relax in, like, to have a warm evening right here. The thing that makes me love this home is the kitchen configuration. We have two kitchens right here, the dry kitchen and the wet kitchen. Right here in the dry kitchen, you can come here in the night when you walk down to take a coffee, or you can, just have light cooking or entertainment for your guests here, or even yourself. Now, right here, we even have the oven right here. We have the microwave, we have cabinets, enough cabinets, even in this dry kitchen, like for light cooking. Nothing is compromised right here. This is the heat extractor. So here is not going to be hot, even if you are doing a light cooking. This is the top gas burner, and we have more cabinets to put out things right here. This is really amazing. Now, let me walk you through to the wet kitchen. But before we get to the wet kitchen, you're going to see the visitor's toilet. So right here, this is the visitor's toilet. Your visitor can see themselves through this glass and even walk into this toilet. This is an hotel grade toilet, as you can see that. Now let's take a look at one of the rooms. Now here is one of your visitors. If you have multiple visitors, there is no problem. So this is one of the rooms for visitors right here. It is also quite spacious. Like, it is amazing. Even the toilet and bathroom is so beautiful. Like, take a look at the design. You've not even seen anything yet, because there is more to see. Now, let's go to the wet kitchen right now. So this wet kitchen is actually awesome. What you see in the lights in the dry kitchen is you're going to see here in the wet kitchen. You can see the heat extractor right here. You can see the gas burner. You can see, you can put your plate right here. Can you see this? This is amazing. You can put your plate right here. There is even more cabinets to put more things. Even right here, you can put a lot more things right here. And take a look at the cabinet. This is amazing. This is amazing. Here, like I said, all kitchen appliances are imported, well finished, and you're still going to see more ovens, more microwave. This is really amazing. And guess what? We're not going to tour this part yet, but from here, right from here, you can still go to the swimming pool. But before then, I want us to tour the second living room, which is the lounge, and all the 5 rooms, because these rooms are all en suites. Now come with me, because this home is your next home. you notice when you're going up is that the light comes up immediately. So this is a home you shouldn't miss out on. And guess what? The wall finishing has this luxury quartz form, and the finishes of this terrace shows that no corners were cut. Yes, no corners were cut. Only quality finishes were done on this home. Now, this home is a 5-bedroom, fully ensuite. You've seen one of them, which is the visitor's room, and we're about to go to the lounge before going to the remaining 4 rooms. So right here is a lounge where you can keep a sofa right here and have a nice time with your family. And this is like where you can put your TV top, you can put good flowers, beds, and beautiful things right here. Take a look at this chandelier. This is not just light, this is art. You're taking a look at artwork right here. This is something you shouldn't miss out on. Before we go to the masters and the cinema, yes, this home comes with a cinema. Let's tour the 3 rooms right here. Now, every room gives this privacy, comfort, and functionality. So this is one of the rooms, and one of these rooms has a terrace. All bathroom, all like it's hotel grade. None of the rooms, bathroom sets were compromised. Even the bathroom right here is automated. Yes, you can turn on different things right here, and water is going to come out from here or from here. Do you understand me? Now let's go tour the remaining rooms because you're going to love it. More designs coming. Now this is the 3rd room. We've toured a total of 2 rooms now this is the 3rd room, almost the same size as the 2nd one we toured, and this is honestly quite spacious. The lighting and that comes out from it. Here is a terrace. This is beautiful. Now come with me because there is another color, like there's another design. Take a look at this. Just take a look at this. This is beautiful. Like you can wash your hands right here. Like take a look at take a look at this. Take a look at this. Everything is given. Do you understand me? Now let's go to the 4th room. I call the 4th room the madam room, or you can turn it to a study. Any of them can serve. Now this is the madam room. This is quite spacious. You can put a lot of your accessories, your clothes, your shoes right here. Like a lot of things can, come in here. And this is the bathroom as well. I love the finishes that, the design that is also here. It's really giving an hotel. Oh my God. You need to come here. You need to book a private inspection to see this for yourself. You can press here, press here, press here, press here. Any of them. It turns on, whether you want cold, whether you want hot, you turn it on, okay? Now let us tour the masters, the rooftop, the most exquisite part of this home. You don't want to miss out on it. Come with me, let's go. One thing I love about this home is not just the stairs, it's the wall, it's the attention to details. I mean, you can go to some houses, things are falling off, but this is different. This is absolutely different. We are going to the 2nd floor of this amazing home. And I know that you're saying right now that this is your next home. Over to my left is the cinema. The cinema is still under construction. But I want you to take a look at something. There is enough light. There's enough light coming from here. It means that your home doesn't, if you're a content creator, your home doesn't need artificial light. This is the best place you should come. Okay? So this way can also lead to your rooftop or to your private terrace. But let's go into the masters. Wow, I really love this. Amazing. Welcome to your new home. You see this mansion right here? You shouldn't miss out on it for any reason. Now let's take a look at the console. this is actually beautiful. You know that the finishing is confirmed. Now take a look at this. This is art. This is not just light. Let's walk into the walk-in closet because the next billionaire is getting this home. This is amazing. Have you seen like this kind of home of recent in Nigeria? Here you can have your accessories, your watches, your necklaces right here. You can have, if you have millions of clothes, I'm telling you, it's going to enter here. Do you know how many square meter this walk-in closet? Do you know that the rooms we toured, only this walk-in closet contains about 3 times of those rooms? Take a look at it. Now take a look at where you keep your shoes, your bags. This is amazing. Now let's walk into the master's bathroom. Hey, I love this. This is the bathtub, and this is so amazing. Whether you want the water from here or you want the water from here, this is amazing. Now this is the light. This is amazing. Take a look. Water. You can brush your teeth right here. You brush your teeth right here as well. This is really amazing. You shouldn't miss out on this. This is amazing. You either take your shower or you on any of this. Woo. You shouldn't miss out on this for any reason. The most beautiful part that I know that you're going to love in this beautiful home. That's the rooftop. Come with me because right here you can see the skyline of Lagos. Now this is the rooftop. Welcome to this private terrace. This is the best. You can host your guests right here. You can come to have a nice time. You can even put, beautiful seats out right here. As you can see here, you can see the serenity of this estate. Right there, you can see Eco Atlantic. Right here, you can see the Eco Hotel. You can see the beautiful skyline of Lagos. And I don't want you to miss out on this beautiful home. Who is this home for? This home is not for everyone. And that's exactly the point. This home is for someone that values quality over noise, that values location over hype, and design over trend. This 5-bedroom beautiful architectural edifice is priced at 1.2 billion naira. Its luxury finishes, its location already tells the story that it is worth this price. If you need a private tour or an inspection to view this home, kindly contact us with the number you're seeing in the description or on this video. I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel because more iconic homes is coming right here. But before then, I'm looking forward to your call. So call me on this beautiful home to get at least one for yourself.